Hello guys, we're going to talk about the current Jamb biology syllabus. If you're meeting me for the first time, I'm by name Sir Emmy, and I'm going to be taking you everything about the syllabus, all the topics. I'm going to be taking it with their past question. That's what the LearnLift app stands for. Quality teachings that makes you pass exam. And those that follow instructions are high flyers. So we are following the syllabus, treating the syllabus exactly as we run through everything. Take note that this current biology syllabus covers for number 1 for Jamb, it covers for what for Waec, it covers for your NECO, it covers for your GC, it covers for your IGCSE, for your Cambridge exams. Exactly. The syllabus is same, biology is same, it does not change, so it covers for it exactly. Do you understand that? If you say you understand that, first, we're going to talk about your living organisms. Are you seeing that? We're going to talk about the living organisms. We said for Jamb students, it is join the 350 gang. For Waec students, it is A+ in biology. So we're going to talk about living organisms. I'm going to do the breakdown for each. Under living organisms, we have the total of 13 videos, and the notes are there. After you finish every video, you read the notes, you go and play through the word disability. Everything they ask you to know. After that, we're going to run to talk about the evolution in plant and animal. This is one of the biggest topics. Evolution in plant and animals, as well as ecology, they are the largest. Evolution of plant and animal, we're going to talk about everything about plants, talking about your division of plants, your schizophyta, your talophyta, your bryophyta, your deridophyta, your spermatophyta, your angiosperm and your gymnosperm. Under plants, under animals, talk about your vertebrates and your invertebrates. Under your invertebrates, talk about your protozoa, your coleoterata, your plantae, your nematoda, your annelid, your mollusca, your echinodemata, your arthropods. Are you seeing that? Why under your vertebrates, talk about your param, that's your species, your amphibians, your reptiles, your apes, and your mammals. So a lot to be covered in this topic, a lot. After that, we'll go further talk about your structural, functional, and behavioral adaptation of organism. Talking about your cryptic coloration, talking about color adaptation, talking about adaptive features. Are you seeing that? We're going to discuss all of them in this class. After that, we'll go further talk about internal structure of flowering plant. Talking about your xylem, your phloem, a lot here to learn, a lot. And we're going to be cleaning into structures. Now, there are going to be classes where, among the classes, you're going to see some classes where we'll just focus on Jamb and Waec diagrams. Just all the papers on story diagrams, we'll just be analyzing them, because you need to be used to analyzing diagrams and picking their labeling. Very important. The diagrams for every topic that they don't play with in the exam. After that, we'll go further to talk about your nutrition, talking about nutrition in plants, as well as nutrition in animal. This is where digestive system is going to come through. After that, we'll talk about your transport system, both in plant and animal. We'll talk about your respiratory system. We'll damage everything. As we are teaching them, we are showing you the past question. Every line is a past question. After that, we'll go talk about your excretory system. Hold on a bit. The complete series of classes, right, as far as your syllabus is concerned regarding your Jamb and Waec, everything has been covered in details for you in the LearnLift app. And guess what? The sweet part is that you have access to your CBT, right? You have access to your video lessons, you have access to your notes, you have access to your past questions. Everything from the beginning to the end is directly in the LearnLift app for you. So all you have to do is just mark down to Play Store or App Store and download the LearnLift app, where you follow all your classes from the beginning to the end. A quick one before we move. Let's get back to class. Enjoy. After excretory system, we'll go further to talk about your supportive and your movement, talking about your skeletal system and so on and so. You've seen the framework, exoskeleton, everything you need to know, both in plants and animals. Talk about your reproductive system in plants, sexual, we're going to talk about all of them, even their types, and treat them with their past question. We'll go further to talk about your growth, very important. After that, we'll go further to talk about your coordination and your control, talking about even homeostasis, hormonal coordination, brain, and so on and so forth. We'll go further to talk about ecology. This is one of the largest topics. I told you chapter 2 is very large. That's plants and animals. Ecology has 7 topics in it. So ecology is not even a topic. It's a I don't know how to call it. I thought ecology is very large, but we're going to break everything with their past question one after the other. After that, we'll go to topic 14, which will be our hereditary and word variation. Talk about hereditary, talk about your word variation. Talk about chapter 15, which is your evolution, talking about your Charles Darwin, your Jean Lamarck, your Lamarckism, your neo-Darwinism. And so with their past question, like I said, we'll be tracing it to their past question. Now, For the Jamb student, this is where everything for you ends. Join the 350 gang. But for the Waec student, we're going to do one more, which will talk about your practicals. Practicals is the start. We'll just be dealing with practicals, explaining it so that you will not have any problem. One problem with your practicals. You will not just know it, you will so understand it. Do you understand? That's what the LearnLift stands for. After that, take note that after every class, we say for the Jamb student is to join the 350 plus gang. For the Waec student, A1 plus in biology, A plus in biology. You know the take and play. Now, how do we now tackle? What's the techniques to tackle the exam? Number one, watch the video lessons. The video lessons are very important. The video lessons break the teaching. With the video lessons, you have covered everything exactly. After that, after the video lessons, you go to the notes. The notes are very important. The note shows you, okay, these are the things I need to learn. The note makes you, because we can't take all the past questions in class. Some topics, for example, like some polycell and its environment have about 73 past questions. Are you seeing that? We have not talked about cell. Cell has 100. Both Jamb and Waec separated. You see them separated Jamb questions, separated with Waec. Then you take them one after the other. So the notes are very important. We're going to take past questions in class, but we can't finish all in class. After that, practice past question through the CBT. Go to the CBT aspect. As you watch each lesson, all the questions they ask on that. If you miss anyone, I will blow you. Make up your mind to join the 350 gang. No question is going unpunished. No question is going unpunished. If you have finished this video and under the notes of that particular lesson, there are 100 past questions. Ensure you finish all. Because the more questions you take, the more energized, the more powerful you become, the more strength you gather. Your score is proportional to the amount of the lessons you watch and the questions you are drinking, and you can answer all the questions since you have watched the videos. Do you understand that? After that, always tell a friend about the LearnLift app, because everything you need is in the LearnLift app. Everything from the beginning. Just follow, and at the end of the day, we'll all smile. Join the 350 gang. If you still understand that, I'm going to see you in chapter 1, where we're going to break down chapter 1, because we have to break down chapter 1, which is living things, before we start. Living things has a total of, like I said, about 13 videos and the notes and everything. We're going to see how we're going to run it through. From there, we'll go to chapter 2, chapter 1, chapter 2. Now we have done the overall syllabus. I'll see you in the chapter 1 breakdown. But for now, peace out. Hope you've enjoyed this class. Guess what? To follow up for more classes, just download the LearnLift app, whether on Play Store or App Store, and then follow up your classes. You must do extremely well. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.